guys, nandito kami sa snow. Oh. Ayan. The mountainous area of Cyprus which you can find snow. Oh.
It's very slippery, so take care.
Let's go.
Where?
There, down.
If you don't be careful, you'll be very quickly down.
Uh-huh.
Hindi kaya ako madulas.
Be careful.
Pahawak mga rin. Pag madulas yung ano, oh. Oo nga.
Madulas.
Eh, pero ang akin namang sapatos eh. Dapat pala hindi. Doon kayo sa mga walang makikita ng buhangin. Hindi kayo puting lamang. Hindi kayo mabit.
Oo, dun oh, sa banda dun. The snow is already melted. Kaya this is slippery.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Be careful.
Yes, careful. And I wear like this.
Ah, you wear a rubber shoes.
Baka ako mabasa ang
Bakit kasi hindi ka nag-boots yung ano?
paano sabi ko baka naman wala nang isdot yung baka pagdating ng ko si sobra ko namang ininit. Ba't pala binaong ko?
Wow, it's so nice here. At least there is.
O dito na lang.
It's so...
Hindi nyo nararamdaman malamig.
I feel cold, you know. Look guys, there is lots of snow. Not so a lot.
Magatal na.